Alright, today we have 4 packs in the store. We have done the 2 11 swap token. We have a gold player pack, small player pack, a jumbo rare player pack, and this one. So let's start with the gold player pack and see what we get in this pack. Alright, okay, no worries. I'll take this. I don't mind. Because I'm waiting for the last 2 packs. The packs are the main pack for me. A small gold player pack. Okay. Now is the time, guys. Now is the time to check this 2-pack. 24 rares. Where should I go? Let's go with the jumbo rare first. Okay, good. Yes. Jumbo rare. Fantastic. I really want to see a future star in this pack. I want to see a future star in this 81 into 11. Wish me luck. Here we go. This is an L. This is a pure L, man.